Hey everyone, nice to have you back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I just decided to move away from the usual saucy jollof rice or red tomato stew or sauce or whatever you call it. And I decided to just make it plain, guys. Remember those days, one of those days you just feel like having something completely different, completely plain. Not the heavy chicken with heavy meat and tripe and cow skin and all that. No, today is just simple and easy because you know what? Life is easy. So I decided to make this simple rice and simple flaky tender salmon. And right here, I just have my filet salmon already plain, washed, clean, already in the pan. And then next, I'm just going to be adding just few ingredients. But I'm starting with the cooking oil spray, the canola oil cooking spray. So I'm just going to use this to just spray it a little bit. You can use olive oil, whatever oil of your choice. But I'm just doing this very simple. Like I said, life is simple. And I have here some black pepper I'm adding. Feel free to add lemon juice or whatever, lime juice, or any juice of your choice. Okay. And of course, onion powder. I don't know if I can do without onion. If you can do without onions, please let me know. I'm addicted to onion. And here I have some KNORR cubes. I'm just going to add it on top. Don't worry, it's going to spread. Don't worry, life is easy, like I said. The oil and more spray, okay? I'm still spraying it with the cooking spray. And I'm going to allow this to sit for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 5 minutes back, 5 minutes, I'll flip it. Okay, so let it just sit and cook slowly. No rush. I'm not rushing. This is a simple dinner that you can pull up in 10 minutes. So this is simple dinner idea. Simple rice, simple salmon, simple and easy. I know I'm declaring that life is easy and simple because that's what I want to see in myself, in my life. Life is easy, but most times we humans, we make it too complicated. Anyways, don't come after me. I'm just declaring what I want to see in my life, okay? Life is easy by God's grace. Anyways, that's the rice I'm using. Just feel free to use any kind of rice, brown rice, parboiled rice, any rice. But I'm using basmati rice. So I'm going to wash this rice. Make sure I wash it properly before I use it. I'm washing it and I'm keeping it aside. Then another thing I'm going to be using, this is going to be part of the liquid. This is the chicken stock or chicken broth. Chicken stock that I'm using. It's frozen. Okay, I put it after cooking the chicken. I put it in the freezer. So I just brought it out. I'm gonna leave it to defrost. So when it's liquidy, I can use it. And here I have my green pepper and 1 onion. You say more onion? Yes. I love onions. I don't know if I can do without onions in my cooking. So I'm just going to prep these, slice them and keep them aside. Then this is the pot I'm going to be using. And that's the rice already washed. So as you can see, I'm just going to empty that into the pot that I'm using to cook. And then here comes our already cut up onions and a little bit of Himalayan salt, very little because our chicken stock has salt in it. And here is my powdered onion. More onions, you would say. Feel free to use more seasoning if you like. And more onions. I'm adding more onions to it. I think one of these days I'm going to be making onion stew or onion sauce. And I have here some curry that I'm adding. And right here, our chicken stock is already defrosted. Now it's melted. I'm just going to be adding this into our rice. And don't forget, I just added a little bit of water to this chicken stock. So this will be all the water that I'm going to use to prepare this rice from start to finish. I'm not going to add any more water to it. Okay. And already this chicken stock has a lot of flavor and sweetness already. It's already sweet enough. So I'm not going to be adding KNORR cube because I already did that to the fish, to the salmon. So I'm just going to mix that together to make sure all the flavor and all the seasoning gets incorporated into the rice. Finally, our green pepper already cut up. I'll just put it on top and bring this to a boil and make sure I cook it till it's ready. And right here, I'm still adding some more onions to our salmon fish. Okay, I'm adding some more onions and I'm just gonna still garnish it up with some chives. And that's it. Our salmon is all done with our rice beside it. What a simple combo. This just looks so gorgeous and it's, believe me, so delicious. It's just very simple, very easy to make, and yet very delicious. So please guys, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. I hope to see you in my next video by God's grace. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And thank you. Share my videos among your friends and relatives, and God bless you. Bye.